Hey there, steam enthusiasts and history buffs. Welcome to a journey back in time where the chugging of steam engines was the heartbeat of progress. Today we're diving into the heart of the Industrial Revolution, a time when mankind harnessed the power of steam to move mountains, or at least heavy trains. This era marked a pivotal point in history where innovation and industry collided to create something truly remarkable. We are talking about the evolution of the locomotive boiler, a marvel of engineering that powered the world for over a century. These boilers were the unsung heroes, converting water and fire into the driving force behind the iron horses that roamed the rails. Imagine a world without cars or planes, a time when the fastest way to travel was by a horse-drawn carriage. The advent of the steam locomotive changed all that, revolutionizing transportation and shrinking the world in ways previously unimaginable. The locomotive was more than just a mode of transport. It was a symbol of progress, connecting distant lands and fueling economies. It brought people closer together, facilitated trade, and spurred economic growth, making it an indispensable part of society. And at the heart of these iron horses was the boiler, a technological marvel that transformed heat and water into raw mechanical power. This incredible invention not only powered trains, but also laid the groundwork for future advancements in engineering and technology. So, what exactly is a locomotive boiler? Think of it as a giant, sophisticated pressure cooker on wheels. Its primary function, to generate high-pressure steam, the lifeblood of any steam engine. Here's the gist. Water is heated in a confined space, converting it to steam. This steam, trapped and pressurized, wants to escape. This immense pressure is channeled through pipes and valves to push pistons, turning wheels and propelling the locomotive forward. Simple in theory, but the engineering behind it is pure genius. Our story begins in the early 1800s, with pioneers like Richard Trevithick and George Stephenson tinkering away in their workshops. These early boilers were rudimentary, prone to explosions, and not very efficient. But they proved a point. Steam could move things. Stephenson, in particular, made significant strides. His rocket locomotive, a triumph of early boiler design, won the Rainhill trials in 1829, ushering in the era of steam-powered transportation. These early designs, though primitive, laid the groundwork for the giants that followed. 19th century steam giants were the heart of the Industrial Revolution. These powerful machines revolutionized transportation and industry, driving progress and innovation across the globe. It was a time of constant innovation, and locomotive boilers saw dramatic improvements. Engineers and inventors were in a relentless pursuit to enhance efficiency and power, leading to significant advancements in boiler technology. Inventors and engineers, driven by a thirst for efficiency and power, continually refined the design. Workshops buzzed with activity as new ideas were tested and implemented, each iteration bringing about better performance and reliability. One major advancement was the addition of the steam dome, a separate chamber that collected and supplied drier steam to the cylinders, improving performance. This innovation allowed for more consistent and powerful steam delivery, enhancing the locomotive's overall efficiency. Fireboxes, where coal burned to heat the water, became larger and more efficient. The increased size allowed for more fuel to be burned, generating greater heat and, consequently, more steam. Boiler barrels were strengthened with thicker steel and reinforced with hoops to withstand higher pressures. This reinforcement was crucial for maintaining safety and performance as the demand for more powerful locomotives grew. Injectors replaced pumps for feeding water, and the concept of superheating steam, heating it beyond its boiling point, was introduced, further boosting power output. Superheated steam provided a significant increase in efficiency, allowing locomotives to travel faster and haul heavier loads, marking a new era in steam engine technology. As the 20th century roared in, so did the demand for bigger, faster, and more powerful locomotives. The railways were the arteries of industry, and the need for speed and power was paramount. This led to the golden age of boiler design, with engineers pushing the limits of what was possible. They experimented with new materials and innovative designs, striving to create the ultimate steam engine. Superheater tubes running through the firebox extracted even more heat from the burning fuel. This not only increased efficiency but also allowed the locomotives to generate more power and travel faster. Compounding, a system using steam multiple times at decreasing pressures maximized efficiency. By reusing steam, these engines could extract every bit of energy, making them more powerful and economical. Mechanical stokers replaced backbreaking manual labor, feeding coal into the firebox automatically. This innovation not only improved efficiency but also made the job of the fireman much safer and less grueling. Water tube boilers, where water flowed through tubes surrounded by fire, offered faster heating and greater steam production. This design was a game changer, allowing locomotives to reach higher speeds and pull heavier loads. These innovations resulted in behemoths of steel and steam capable of hauling incredible loads at breathtaking speeds. The advancements in locomotive technology during this era laid the foundation for modern rail transport, revolutionizing the way people and goods moved across the world.